In this video, we will talk about identifiers. Identifiers are one of the tokens of Python programming. Identifiers are the names the user gives to variables, objects, functions, or other entities of the program. And to name the identifiers, you have to follow some rule. In mathematics, we used side the word side to calculate the area of square, like we used to do side into side. We used r as the radius of the circle. We used r as the letter for assigning value to the radius so that we can calculate the area of circle as pi r square. So in programming also, when you have to name the variables, you can use the letters according to your choice, but it has to go by the rules of the identifiers, because if you use invalid names, then it will give error. So how to remember those rules? You have to practice them. For example, you have to start with a letter which can be lowercase or uppercase, like A is equal to 6 is valid identifier. But if you name it starting with a digit like 1 equal to 6, it is invalid because it cannot start with a digit. Next rule is these identifiers must not be any keyword. Keywords are the reserved words of Python which have some definite purpose, and they cannot be used as identifiers. To see the list of keywords, you have to use two statements: import keyword and then keyword dot list. So this will give you the list of keywords, and among these keywords you cannot use any of these keywords as identifier. For example, you cannot use if to assign some value. It will give syntax error. And these identifier rules also come in 1-mark output question to identify which of the following is invalid or valid identifier. You can use if underscore a equal to 1, because now this is not a keyword, but it is a combination of letters and underscore. You cannot use any special character like a, or any special character like a colon equal to 1. It will give a semicolon equal to 1 will give syntax error. But if you will use this type of operator like a ampersand equal to 1, then this is the ampersand equal to is the assignment operator, which means a equal to a and 1. You have to do the AND operation between a and 1, whatever be the value of a you take. So this is different thing, but using any special character for the name of identifier is not allowed. Then you cannot use space like a space 2 equal to 1 or a space num equal to 5 is not allowed. You cannot use space. You can use underscore, a underscore num equal to 1. This is allowed. Even you can start the identifier with underscore. Underscore equal to 5 is allowed. So these are some of the rules of identifiers which you have to follow. Otherwise it will give error. So this was the video about the rules of identifiers and what are identifiers, how to verify valid and invalid identifiers.